Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and today's one of those days where I'm going to try to turn chicken into chicken salad. This is just a junky log. You just saw me cut that off. It's how big was it? I do have the pith lined up. Oh, it's small log, 12. This got a little roof flare down on this end. 13 and a half, 14. What I need is 6-inch boards, so we're going to try to get 6-inch boards out of this. I think we can do it. Oh, actually, I know we can do it. I'm going to try to get, I think a 12-inch times 0.7 is 8. Yeah, 12-inch would be 0.84. So we'd get a little over an 8-inch cant. Let's do a little bit better than that. For what I'm using it for, I want to look, it doesn't matter if it has waning on it. Don't necessarily want it, but it's fine if it has some waning on it. I'm going to use it for just some pallets is what I'm making, some pallet uprights for my logs. If you haven't seen that, I'll have a video coming out on how I make them. That I fashion them after what Phil and Karen do on Allen Family Firewood, but without the metal brackets. I use wood because I don't want to spend money on, I get the pallets for free, and I don't want to spend money on metal 2x4 stake pockets. And that's what he had, a bunch of them made up. His are actually really cool, and he builds his own heavy duty pallets. They last forever. I'm not into the firewood business for that kind of stuff. So so if we get a 9-inch can out of this, then I can get some flitches off of it. We'll box it down to a 6-inch and then cut 3/4-inch boards. No bark on it. It's pretty clean. This is one of these oak wilt logs that I just harvested recently off my property. We have a gazillion of this. This is black oak. Let's get the mill fired up. If you're new to the channel, I have 2 roller conveyors, one here and one right here. The good wood goes that way, the slab wood goes that way into the slab wood pile. The turner's working. I'm lucky because I left this battery on all week. We have a Stella Cut band on there that's got several logs on it, but it should cut just fine. It feels like it's got a lot of life left in it. I'm running the Mikrons setworks, and I have a power feed that goes up and down and a power feed that goes horizontal and a log turner on this homeowner's entry-level mill. It's been a good mill. I would like to get something big and fast. I have an idea of one, maybe someday. As I get a little bit older, I want to work easier. However, this mill makes it pretty easy the way I run it now. You're gonna see me sitting down. This mill's about as fast. If I went much faster than this, I couldn't swamp by myself. I screwed up. I started thinking about 1-inch boards. I need 3/4 inch boards. Doggone it. So I wrecked this one. Oh well. Nothing will go to waste. There'll be firewood, and that other flitch is 1 inch. I need 3/4. No worries. It'll turn into stickers. I'm going to flip this so it's more symmetrical. One more 3/4 inch board off of this. I think we did really well on that. We ended up with, I think I said 10 1 by, or 3/4 by 6s. That was my problem. I would have had a few more if I remembered I wasn't making 1-inch boards. However, I did get a couple flitches. I got the mill all cleaned up, so I'm really happy with it. So let me show you what I'm doing with these boards. Right over here I have, I think 4 or 5 pallets left for my cabins for this winter. Not 4, because I go through about 3 or 4 a year, and I'm halfway through the first one. Yeah, because I had 5, so there's 4 of them out here now. But let me show you what I do. You see the idea? I screw a 1 by 6 in there. Then I put some ropes across there. And I get a couple years out of them. Oh, that rope broke. Oh, it slipped through the knot. Knot slipped through, I see. But we'll get that tied back up. See how I do that? Put a little piece of blocker in there. Leaves the gap. So whatever this board thickness is, I put that blocker in there. Screw that on. And yeah, it works good. It allows me to carry it on a pallet. And I do the math, so each one's a face cord. Now, a couple of the real small pallets, I think this one is only a 1/4 cord. Yeah, the short one right here is a 1/4 cord because it's a smaller pallet. But like the ones with the 3 boards in short, that's a face cord. That's also a face cord because they're taller, if I recall. That's a face cord, but that's a 1/4 cord. That might be a 1/4 cord as well. Yeah, that worked out pretty good. We're gonna stack the firewood for the boiler on those because I don't have any IBC totes left away out there. They're all full. I got 11 of those, and I need about 30 pallets loads worth. So if I can get at least another 5 or 6 before winter, and then come this spring, just slowly knock away at it, we'll get it all done. All right, guys, we'll see you out here next time. Smash that thumbs up button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Subscribe, all that other fancy stuff. I'm glad you found our channel, and we'll see you out here next time. Take care, guys. You guys have a great day.